welcome back to our channel. Right, she's stealing my line, okay.
We're drinking chamomile honey tea, so it's actual tea bags that have chamomile honey in it. It's really nice.
I know, some people put like a tea bag in and then they put honey in.
We do that if there's we don't have the actual tea bags.
Yeah, but I prefer to actually have the tea bag with the honey.
It's so much nicer.
It just tastes better, like actually oozes together. I feel
So
like when you just put the honey in, it doesn't really work well. So that's the tip, guys. Tesco's, is it Twinings?
Twinings, yeah, and it has like a vanilla-y taste.
Yeah,
it's really
it has
nice.
like a vanilla taste, you're right, literally it does.
Really nice. So, cheers.
In today's video, we thought we'd make a cake with you guys. But before we start, we always get questions about our jewellery, so we just thought we'd say our earrings, our necklaces, our rings are all from at Ana Luisa. And our discount code is Sisters10. So if you guys use our discount code, they know that we sent you and you'd be helping us out as well. So thank you so much if you've purchased from them already. We absolutely love their jewellery. They've
Really nice
us out.
pieces, definitely.
Yeah. Silver moods, gold moods, you know, which vibe are you? Tag us in the pictures if you have got the jewellery. I mean, look at this.
I know, and the
bracelet.
earrings are just so cute and dainty. Really
love
nice.
it. The rings, I just love the thickness. You can't tell that it's not fully gold. It's gold plated. They don't go rusty.
Yeah.
The jewelry's wear it in the shower. I mean, I wouldn't recommend that, but it just doesn't go rusty. Like I've worn them all the time. It just love it.
Really nice. And also the earrings, they're very easy to put on. It's not like a, you know, that little screw thing. It doesn't fall off all the time.
Yeah.
It's a clasp where you just close it and it just stays.
Close it tight and it just stays.
So I really like that.
I've been swimming in these, literally been walking around all day.
Yeah, really nice.
They stay in, sleep in them. Good everyday jewellery, isn't it?
Definitely.
And it's just so simple. Like, I hate jewellery that's got too much going on.
Yeah, statement pieces.
There was actually a brand recently that messaged me on Instagram and they were like, I mean, the jewellery wasn't really my style. It was like really hippie. Like, it was like, you know, yeah, do you know what I mean? Like hippie jewellery with like tassels on and like big colours and humongous patterns and like different shapes and like Viking styles. And I mean, it's really nice for some other people that might like that jewellery, but I really like simple, just like really elegant jewellery. And they messaged me and I was like, oh, like, you know, I'm happy to like work with you and like promote your jewellery box, but I don't really like the I didn't say I don't really like, I just said the other bits of jewellery that you have are not my style. They don't match my aesthetic. It's not really something I would want, so I wouldn't want to promote something that I don't like.
And then you recommended other people that might like the jewellery,
yeah,
which is really nice.
I recommended some other bloggers and I was like, these people might like your jewellery, but I can still work with you if you want me to promote your jewellery box, because that's just plain gold, like not real, obviously it was like £20. But yeah, the other jewellery is probably not my style. And then they replied back like, lol, okay, bye, like that. I was like, what? I was like, how rude. Like, I've given you other bloggers to contact. I've given you I've told you can tell them my name so they'll actually work with you.
And like the jewellery we wear and things that we want to show you guys is things that we actually like. We're not going to be fake and like show you guys things that we wouldn't actually buy.
So I'm going to be real, like I'm not going to promote something that I don't actually like.
Yeah. Exactly.
So I turned it down. So there are other opportunities that we're turning down, but we genuinely love this jewellery. And
yeah, it's really
that's kind of like what we're trying to say here is like, we only show you guys what we actually like and everything we say is authentic. We would never say something that's a lie.
So honestly, I would really recommend this company. They're so lovely as well.
I know,
and they just deserve it, honestly. They're really nice.
We love it. So anyway, to the cake. I don't know how much... If you guys know any really good cake recipes, please let us know.
Yeah, but that one's quite good, isn't it?
It is a really good recipe, yeah, but I just want to know if there's any others that we could follow.
So it'd be 6 ounces of sugar.
Huh? Sugar? Can we do the flour first?
And 6 ounces of margarine.
Oh, I'll just tip the flour back. 6 ounces, that's a lot. I might just put a little bit less, let's just do... I do like sugary things, but like not that much, where it's like so sweet that it's overpowering. 6 ounces of sugar, we've put in 4. I think she just fell asleep. Guys, our mum's just fell asleep on the couch and we're thinking about redesigning her bedroom for her while she's asleep.
I think it'd be nice for her.
She works really hard, guys, so she is an advocate for children, for those of you that care. So that means she stands up for... Oh my god, I haven't been measuring this. That's roughly like a few kind of bits, you know.
I think it's more than that though.
Oh, for goodness sake, when you take it out then.
So yeah, she's an advocate for children. She also works...
No, wait, just explain what an advocate is. So an advocate for children is someone that stands up for children's rights and listens to their views and represents them at child protection conferences.
Yeah.
So obviously she's so caring to be like doing that all the time. She's the head of that
and she advocates all the cases to the other people in the office.
Designates the cases.
Yeah. And then she also works at a supplementary school, so an Islamic school every Sunday.
That's volunteer?
Yeah, volunteer. What else does she do? Oh, she runs the funeral service with my uncles, her brothers, which is very busy at the moment. She's also a nutritionist. She just does a lot, really. She's very hardworking. Okay, is that... That's alright, isn't it? Well, no, a bit more. I don't like the smell of butter. It just tastes
I know,
so...
and this one's salted.
It just tastes fat, doesn't it? I
I
don't
know
know.
it does, yeah.
Can you, do you know what I mean? The smell.
Yeah. I don't like salted butter.
No, we get this one but unsalted. Is that why it smells like that?
Well, it smells even more like fat because it's
Yeah.
salted, yeah. Why would you get salted butter? Why would you want salty butter? I suppose it might taste better for some people.
I don't know. I really don't know.
That's roughly about, I mean, I'm not being very accurate, but who cares? It's a cake. Light and fluffy, guys? I think so. What's the next bit?
Beat 3 eggs into the mixture.
Right, well, I've only got 2. But it's fine because I put less of everything else in.
And then fold in 6 ounces of self-raising flour.
Do you want to measure the flour?
Good idea to make a cake.
Do you think? Why?
Don't know. Are we going to put the lotus on it?
You could.
No.
We bought this lotus spread, guys, to make a cheesecake, but I don't even like cheesecake that much. Put a little bit more in.
So we bought this Biscoff spread, Biscoff biscuits. But to be honest, we always just seem to eat the Biscoff biscuits and then never get a chance to actually make the cheesecake. So now all we have is spread.
Biscoff taste nice on cake?
Yeah, really nice. No, it's not. No, not on cake. On a cheesecake.
Would it taste nice on cake?
No. No, I feel like it would be too sugary.
We could
Before
put, no,
it's
we're
quite
making
sweet.
cupcakes. We could put it on one cupcake and just try it.
Okay, yeah. Oh, it's cupcake.
We bought cupcake little things.
Oh, we've got sprinkles as well.
Yeah, we have.
Don't we have the chocolate spread in the fridge?
Oh, I don't want to put that on.
Don't
You
we?
can put chocolate
Yeah,
with
on a
vanilla.
cupcake.
How about we just do them all different?
Okay, yeah. We'll just do them all differently.
Am I doing this right?
I don't think so. You're meant to fold.
No, you fold the flour in. You don't
Oh.
fold the. You beat the eggs.
This cake is so sugary.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I thought vanilla syrup would be nice.
Right, have a bit.
It's more for flavour. Okay, stop. My dad's going to go shopping tomorrow and we're doing some like clothing shoots. So
Which would be cool. I ordered some new shoes and I wish they had come for tomorrow. Oh, we've got such a nice background for tomorrow. It's the caves that we went to in the last vlog. Not caves, cliff. And it's really natural, like beige, like, I just love it. We're trying to be like Amanda Kamiku because her feed is amazing and she always uses beige tones.
we could do the video tomorrow could be called Taking Pics like at Amanda Kamiku.
Yeah.
We could like go through her feed,
and pick out
outfits.
and also like the style that she does. There is nature stuff in the background. A lot
Yeah,
of hers.
let's look at some other bloggers as well and try and like decide and
Like
try and take
Miss
exactly
Jocelyn.
the photos. Yeah. And Iris loves unicorns, whatever her name
Yeah.
is.
Oh, I just love these bloggers' pages. They look amazing. Also, I'm loving how. Wait, I don't know like if bloggers
Pour a
do
little
watch
bit in.
this, but I don't know if you guys have noticed that they've been very creative in quarantine, using a lot of nature, a lot of greenery. Like it's really nice.
I know. I wish like before like lockdown, people would not want to take photos
In
with
like
any
grass.
greenery. Like
Yeah.
I would edit out any sign of a shrub. Like
Yeah, it would all be
any
white.
leaf.
Yeah,
How the hell would you fold like this? I think I'm doing it. No, I don't want you to do
yeah.
it.
All right. You just fold it. Yeah, like that.
Is that a bit dry? Isn't that supposed to be something else in? It's supposed to be a bit more runnier, like.
But they haven't got one egg. My mummy only did 2.
Oh. Should put a bit of milk in or something then to make it a bit more runny.
Is that too much?
See, that's better. Look, it's
Oh, yeah,
already
it is.
runny. Bring that all on me.
Oh, love it.
I missed anything. Is there anything else on that list?
No.
Just going to spoon the mixture into the tins now. What are you watching on Netflix at the moment?
Vampire Diaries. Well, to be honest, I need to watch the next season of Elite and Money Heist. I haven't watched them. I feel like I have to watch them all over again and get back into it. What do you think I should do?
Just watch a couple episodes of the last season and then it jogs your memory.
Okay, so guys, what it looks like.
So cute!
Love it! So we're going to put these in the oven and take them out when they're ready.
And we'll basically have a cup of tea with you guys as soon as they're out the oven. We like doing that, don't we?
Yeah, cup of tea with cake is great.
See you guys soon. So the cakes are out the oven, guys. Here they are. Let's just decorate that one plate first. Hi guys, this is Emily and Nadia again from the future because we realised when we were editing this video our camera cut out and there was like the ending of the cupcake video isn't there.
I know, so you couldn't see us tasting the cupcakes, but they were really lovely. We put some Lotus Biscoff and some chocolate spread on them and they were really nice.
So if you guys want to see our last video, which one was that about?
Us going with our dad on the day out to Oss Cliff, and we saw some really nice cliffs and had a really lovely walk.
And he kind of tells us about all these fossils that we saw. So yeah, be sure to check that last video out. And then the next video you guys are going to see after this one is us doing a photo shoot featuring really cute jewellery from the brand Ana Luisa. Don't forget to use our code SISTERS10 for 10% off all of the jewellery that we wear. This is the only brand that we wear. This is the only place that we shop.
Yeah.
We absolutely love their brand. So yeah, if you guys want to see a photo shoot in the forest for our Instagram photos, then yeah, watch our next video.
We hope you like it.
Bye guys.